Scott Shug, North Central Upfitting. We specialize in all types of upfits for squad cars, fire department vehicles, service bodies, flatbeds, utility bodies, you name it. What sets us apart here at North Central is the fact that we're an employee-owned company, so our team members are the ones that make a difference every day. So on our public safety side, we'll do close to 200 vehicles a year through this department, and on our other side, across the parking lot, truck bodies and pickup accessories, we'll probably touch close to 2,000 vehicles a year. So we've been a Tiger Tough dealer for well over 10 years. The number one reason we recommend Tiger Tough to our customers is the customers need a way to protect their investment. They're spending more and more money on these trucks every year, and the seat, especially the driver's seat, is probably the highest trafficked area, you'd call it, getting in and out of that vehicle all day long. So why not protect that investment with the best set of seat covers that we know of. So our upfitting team kind of starts here and occupies 7-8 bays. We'll do everything from our light duty snow plows, toppers, toolboxes and lift gates. And then it kind of gets, more heavy duty the further down that way we'll go. So numerous types of upfits, service bodies, contractor bodies, custom aluminum flatbeds, and racks. This is a fun one down here. We're doing another fire department rig. It'll be a grass rig, super single conversion. This will go over next door and get all the lights and a number of different accessories after it leaves here.